In this video, we will learn how to install the current Eclipse version on Windows 10. Let us start. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type Eclipse. Press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. So here it is. We have directly reached the download section. I'll go to the home page. So this is the official website. You can reach here, and after that you can click the download button. Here is the download button. Go below. When you will go below, the ID is visible. The version is visible for downloading. Click the download button. Here I'll click the x86_64 for 64-bit Windows operating system. Click on it. Now here the mirror is visible to download Eclipse. It's written JRE. That means you don't need Java to install Eclipse because Java comes pre-installed with Eclipse. So this includes your JRE as well as JDK. So just click the download button. Now the download will start. Here it is. It's 159 MB. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The Eclipse installer started. Here Eclipse is visible for Java, for C, C++. Here it is for PHP. We want for Java, so I'll click Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Here you can see the Java version is visible. I'll click here and select the current Java version, that is 25.0.1. So there is no need to install Java. It comes pre-installed with Eclipse. I have selected the 25.0.1. You can always select the latest version. Eclipse will get installed in the following location. Keep it as it is. It will create a start menu as well as a desktop shortcut. Now let us click install. Here the agreement is visible. Click accept now. Now the installation started. Let's wait. We have installed Eclipse. It created a desktop shortcut also. Click launch. Now Eclipse will launch for the first time. First you need to select a directory for workspace. Workspace is the place where your project files, folders and plugins will get saved. Keep it as it is. Click use this as the default, else you need to select it again and again whenever you will create a new project. So all your projects will get saved here now. Click launch. Now Eclipse will launch for the first time. Eclipse opened for the first time. From here you can directly create a new Java project, or I'll click cancel and go to file, click new to create a new project. After clicking new, select Java project. First add the project name. Let's say I'll add Amit application. You can add any name. Location of the project is visible. I told you all your projects will get saved in the workspace location. So here was our default workspace location and our project will go inside this. Execution environment, it automatically selected the default Java 25. Go below. Here I'll uncheck create module info.java file because we are creating a basic example. Click next. Click finish. Now our Eclipse Java project will get created. Here it is. Now under source we will add a new Java class file. Right click, click new and select class. Now add the class name. So let's say I'll add the class name as demo. You can also add a package. A package can include a lot of classes. So we will add a package. The same package will be visible here. So after that I'll select public static void main and uncheck this. We have also explained this later. Click finish. Now our demo.java class file will get created under com.studiopedia package. Here it is, package is com.studiopedia and our class file is the following. Remember, the class file should be equivalent to the file name, that is demo, else there will be an error. Now let us run our first program. We will print my name. System.out.println is used to print. So whatever I'll add inside this will get printed. So I am just adding my name here. You can add anything. Add a semicolon, that's it. Go to file, click save all, right click, select run as, and then select your Java application. So our output is visible. Here it is, Amit Diwan. I told you whatever we will add inside this will get printed. For a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also explained this basic program. Our free tutorial includes 40 lessons, so you can easily learn Java for free. The link is in the description.